Okay, here's how to record audio files for Taranis. We're getting ready to start a project that we need some custom sound files, so I thought we'd cover that. First step, you got to get the software. Audacity is a good choice. It's multi-platform, free. That's what we'll be using here. If you're on a Mac, grab a copy of this other free utility. Clean My Drive. It'll clean up all of the junk that the Mac Finder leaves on the Taranis SD card, which will cause problems for the Taranis. Anyways, we'll assume you know how to grab and install that software. So the first thing, the most important thing are the settings, because there's a limited set of sound files that Taranis can operate on, and if you get those wrong, you're going to get files that won't work. Okay, first thing is you want to set the project rate to 32,000 in Audacity. That's over here in the bottom left. Just select 32,000. And let's record a track, and then we'll set some of these other parameters. So we're going to record by clicking the record button. And we want to have 3 sound files that are going to say left, right, and center. Okay, I'm going to pause that. The video capture is kind of slowing down the screen, so let me restart there. Left, right, center. Okay, let's see how do those sound. Left, right, center. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Now, on this audio track, we want to do a couple of things. We want to set it to mono, which it is right now, and we want to set the sample format to 16-bit PCM. Now, one way that you can record the files is just save this out or just do an export to WAV, but that's kind of slow if you've got to record a couple of different sound commands. So what we're going to do is we're just going to highlight the first word that we said, left, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a file export selection. And that will just export that bit that we've specified. The important thing, WAV, 16-bit PCM is what you want. There's a whole bunch of choices there, and we're going to save it. We're going to call it dir for direction, left.wave, and we don't care about any metadata, so you can just press OK. And let's look and check the file out. Let's go to the Finder. And here we have the dir left. Left. Okay, and that's pretty much what we want. So let's do for the other files. File export selection, 16-bit PCM, save as dir right.wave. And export selection dir center dot wave. Okay, so this gives us the 3 sound files. You don't have to save the original. You can if you want. But let's check and see if these other files are good. Center. That's good. Right. And that is good as well. Now I've put my SD card from the Taranis into the computer. I'll assume you know how to do that. If not, we'll cover another tutorial. We go to the sounds folder, and we're going to put these into the English subfolder of that. So let's grab those. Okay, we're going to replace it. I had done a test run previously. And now if we look in the English folder, we'll see dir left, right, and center. I will put this into the Taranis and they'll be ready to go.